आपण स्टडीज आहे तो स्टडी याच्यामध्ये करणार आहोत. बघा आपण काल जे ऍडिशन आहे ते ऍडिशन करत असताना ते ऍडिशन कॅन बी टेक्स प्लेस अक्रॉस द कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड. जे काही ऍडिशन होतं ते ऍडिशन कुठे होतं याच्यामध्ये अक्रॉस द कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड जे आहे कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड मध्ये ऍडिशन जे आहे ते ऍडिशन याच्यामध्ये होतं. आज आपण बघतो याच्यामध्ये अनसिमेट्रिकल अल्किन. सिमेट्रिकल अल्किन जे आहे सिमेट्रिकल अल्किन मध्ये आपण स्टडी करत असताना सांगितलं की द अल्किन इन विच double bonded carbon atom can be attached to the same group or atoms. Double bonded carbon atom can be attached to the same groups or the atoms. हा double bonded carbon atom जो असतो तो double bonded carbon atom same group किंवा atom ला जर attach असेल तर त्याला म्हणतो आपण symmetrical alkene. The unsymmetrical alkene means the double bonded carbon atom can be attached to the different group or atoms. Double bonded carbon atom can be attached to the different group or atoms. Okay. In that alkene, the addition of the halo acid can be takes place. So, we can take the example as a CH3 CH double bond CH2. Okay, CH3 CH double bond CH2. Understand this? This is a double bonded carbon atom. To this double bonded carbon atom, there are two hydrogen atom here CH3 and one hydrogen atom. On the double bonded carbon atom, the different groups can be attached to the double bonded carbon atom. A different groups can be attached. This is called as an unsymmetrical alkene. This is called as a unsymmetrical alkene. When that unsymmetrical alkene can be reacted with HBr, when this unsymmetrical alkene can be reacted with HBr. Okay, this is HBr. Also, this is a reagent, and this reagent is an unsymmetrical reagent. This reagent also the unsymmetrical reagent. Okay. When the addition can be takes place, the Br and be attached to this carbon atom, and then hydrogen atom can be attached to this carbon. Otherwise, this Br can be attached to this carbon atom, and then hydrogen atom can be attached to this carbon atom. There is two product can be formed here. Two product can be formed here. One product is that CH3 CH, then Br can be attached to this second carbon atom, and then this CH2 and this hydrogen atom can be attached here. That is to form the CH3 CHBr CH2, that is CH3. Okay. Another way, this product is formed CH3 CH CH2 that CH2 Br attached to this carbon atom, and hydrogen can be attached to this carbon atom. Okay. These two product will be the form. This is called as a 2-bromopropane. 2-bromopropane, and this is 1-bromopropane. Okay, this product is 1-bromopropane. That is two product will form. This is unsymmetrical alkene. In that unsymmetrical alkene, addition of the HBr can be takes place. Addition of the HBr can be takes place. When the addition of HBr can be takes place, then to form the 2-bromopropane. To form the 2-bromopropane, another product is 1-bromopropane. Out of these two products, one product is the major product, another one is the minor product. And these two products can be explained by the two rules. One is the Markovnikov's rule. One is the Markovnikov's rule. Markovnikov's rule, and another one is the anti-Markovnikov's rule. These two products can be explained by these two rules. One is the Markovnikov's rule, and another one is the anti-Markovnikov's rule. Okay, these two products, this is 2-bromopropane, and this is the 1-bromopropane. That is that isopropyl bromide. This is isopropyl bromide. Another, this one is the 1-bromopropane or N-propyl bromide. And these two products can be explained by the two rules. One is the Markovnikov's rule, another one is the anti-Markovnikov's rule. Markovnikov's rule and the anti-Markovnikov's rule. Then we have studied first is the Markovnikov's rule, and then we can study the anti-Markovnikov's rule. पहिला आपण Markovnikov's rule जो आहे हा Markovnikov's rule एक्सप्लेन आहे तो एक्सप्लेन करू, आणि नंतर मग anti-Markovnikov's rule आहे तो anti-Markovnikov's rule कडे जाऊया. आता Markovnikov's rule, in that Markovnikov's rule statement of this Markovnikov's rule, when unsymmetrical reagent can be added into the unsymmetrical alkene. When unsymmetrical reagent can be added into the unsymmetrical reagent, then negative part of the reagent gets attached to the carbon atom, which carries a less number of the hydrogen atom. Okay, this is statement. when the unsymmetrical alkene reacted with unsymmetrical reagent, or one unsymmetrical alkene can be added into the unsymmetrical reagent, then the negative part of that reagent can be attached to which carbon atom that carries the less number of the hydrogen atoms. See, this is the alkene CH3, CH double bond CH2, and then this reagent HBr. In that HBr, this Br is negative part and hydrogen is the positive charge. Because of electronegativity of the Br is greater than the hydrogen, therefore the shared pair of electron can be attracted toward the Br. Therefore there is negative charge on the Br atom and positive is the hydrogen. Then when this unsymmetrical reagent can be added into the unsymmetrical alkene, when this unsymmetrical reagent gets added into the unsymmetrical alkene, then this negative part can be attached to which carbon atom? Addition can be takes place across this double bonded carbon atom. Addition can be takes place across this double bonded carbon atom. When the addition can be takes place across this double bonded carbon atom, then this Br can be attached to which carbon atom that carries the less number of the hydrogen? Which carbon atom? This double bonded carbon atom. Out of this double bonded carbon atom, that means this Br can be attached to this carbon atom. This negative part Br can be attached to this carbon atom. Br can be attached to this carbon atom. Because of this carbon atom can be carries the less number of the hydrogen atom, and then this hydrogen can be attached to this carbon atom. This hydrogen atom can be attached to this carbon atom, and then to form the CH3, CHBr, and then this is the CH3. This is called as a Markovnikov's rule. That is this first product. This first product can be explained by the Markovnikov's rule. Say again, when unsymmetrical reagent gets attached to unsymmetrical alkene, or unsymmetrical reagent gets added to unsymmetrical alkene, and to unsymmetrical alkene, the negative part of the reagent, gets attached to the carbon atom which carries the less number of hydrogen atom. Carbon atom which carries the least hydrogen atoms. लक्षात येते का बघा? याच्यामध्ये आपण ज्यावेळेस मार्कोनिकॉव्स रूल जो आहे तो मार्कोनिकॉव्स रूल एक्सप्लेन करतो. मार्कोनिकॉव्स स्टेटमेंट सांगितले, ज्यावेळेस अनसिमेट्रिकल रिएजंट जो आहे, दॅट अनसिमेट्रिक रिएजंट कॅन बी ऍडेड. कुणामध्ये ऍड होतो? अनसिमेट्रिकल अल्किन मध्ये. कुणामध्ये ऍड होतोय? unsymmetrical alkene. Then negative part of this reagent, त्या reagent मधला हा negative part gets attached to, कुठे attach होतोय? The carbon atom which carries the less hydrogen atom. The carbon atom which carries the less hydrogen atom. ज्या carbon atom ला hydrogen atom ची संख्या कमी आहे त्याला attach होणार. म्हणजे Br can be attached to this carbon atom. हा जो Br आहे तो Br ह्या carbon atom जो आहे ह्या कार्बन एटमला याच्यामध्ये अटॅच होतो, and then to form this is the 2-bromopropane according to the Markovnikov's rule. हा 2-bromopropane जो आहे हा 2-bromopropane फॉर्म होतोय ज्यावेळी अकॉर्डिंग टू द Markovnikov's rule. कशानुसार? अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस Markovnikov's rule जो आहे तो Markovnikov's rule नुसार हा 2-bromopropane जो आहे तो 2-bromopropaneचं फॉर्मेशन जो आहे ते फॉर्मेशन याच्यामध्ये होणार आहे. काय? हा 2-bromopropane जो आहे तो 2-bromopropaneचं फॉर्मेशन जो आहे ते फॉर्मेशन याच्यामध्ये होणार आहे. ओके, सेकंड एक्झाम्पल आपण याच्यामध्ये सपोज वी हॅव टेक द एक्झाम्पल CH3 and double bond CH2. CH3 this is called isobutylene. This is the isobutylene. Okay, this is the isobutylene. CH3CH2 plus HBr. Unsymmetrical reagent can be added here. Unsymmetrical reagent can be added here, HBr. Then to form, okay, CH3 as it is, then this C and then CH3, then this Br can be attached to this carbon atom. Because of this carbon atom carries the least hydrogen atom, this is here attached to the Br, and the hydrogen atom can be attached to this carbon atom, and then to form the tertiary butyl bromide. काय फॉर्म होतो याच्यामध्ये? हा टर्सरी ब्युटाइल ब्रोमाइड जो आहे ह्या टर्सरी ब्युटाइल ब्रोमाइडचं फॉर्मेशन जे आहे ते फॉर्मेशन होतं. Also we can take here instead of the HBr, you have to take HCl or the HI. You can take here HCl or HI. HCl घेऊ शकतो आपण याच्यामध्ये किंवा HBr जो आहे तो HBr सुद्धा याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला घेता येईल. काय HCl किंवा HBr जो आहे हा HCl किंवा HBr सुद्धा आपल्याला याच्यामध्ये घेता येईल. म्हणजे आपण हेच एक्झाम्पल मी CH3 डबल बॉन्ड CH2 plus HCl instead of HBr you have to take the HCl, then the addition can be takes place according to the Markovnikov's rule. The addition can be takes place according to the Markovnikov's rule, and when the addition can be takes place according to the Markovnikov's rule, the Cl can be attached to this carbon atom. The Cl can be attached to this carbon atom. हा जो Cl आहे हा Cl काय होणार याच्यामध्ये can be attached to this carbon atom because of this carbon atom can be carries a less hydrogen atom. This carbon atom can carries the less hydrogen atom to form the CH3 and then this is the Cl also to form the tertiary butyl chloride. This name of this compound is the tertiary butyl chloride from the isobutylene. ओके लक्षात आलं का बघा त्याला म्हणायचं आहे मार्कोनिकोव्ह रूल. परत एकदा स्टेटमेंट बघा. when unsymmetrical reagent can get added to the unsymmetrical alkane, when unsymmetrical reagent gets attached to the or gets added into the unsymmetrical alkane, then negative part of the reagent gets attached to the carbon atom carries the least hydrogen atom. Carbon atom which carries the least hydrogen atom. Okay, and this is the Markovnikov's rule. याला म्हणायचं आहे Markovnikov's rule आहे तो Markovnikov's rule. काय म्हणायचं याला Markovnikov's रूल आहे तो Markovnikov's rule. लक्षात आलं का बघा. हा झाला Markovnikov's rule आणि याच्या रिलेटेड दुसरा जो आहे तो म्हणजे अँटी Markovnikov's rule. काय याच्या उलटा सांगायचे आपल्याला तो अँटी Markovnikov's rule जो आहे तो अँटी Markovnikov's rule. अँटी Markovnikov's rule त्याला दुसरं एक नाव आहे पेरॉक्साइड इफेक्ट or crash effect. Actually crash Milo effect म्हटलं तर crash effect म्हटला तरी चालेल. This is the anti Markovnikov's rule. Markovnikov's rule च्या स्टेटमेंटच्या अपोजिट सांगायचं. Markovnikov's rule मध्ये काय होतो निगेटिव्ह पार्ट कॅन बी अटॅच्ड टू विच कार्बन एटम दॅट कॅरीज द लेस हायड्रोजन एटम. हियर when the unsymmetrical alkene reacted with unsymmetrical reagent, when unsymmetrical alkene reacted with unsymmetrical reagent, then negative part of the reagent can be added to the carbon atom which carries more hydrogen atom, See CH3 CH double bond CH2 propylene reacted with HBr, okay, in presence of the peroxide. We can take the sodium peroxide, hydrogen peroxide or phenyl peroxide. In presence of the peroxide, then this negative part gets attached to which carbon atom that carries the more hydrogen atom, This negative part gets attached to the carbon atom which carries the more hydrogen atom, HBr. This is unsymmetrical reagent. Negative part is the Br. That Br can be added into this double bonded carbon atom. When that Br can be added to the double bonded carbon atom, then this negative part of this reagent, gets attached to here the carbon atom which carries the more hydrogen atom. That means the Br can be attached to this carbon atom the addition can be takes place across this double bonded carbon, not this carbon atom. Because of addition is takes place across this carbon atom, double bonded carbon atom, therefore this Br can be attached to this carbon atom, and then hydrogen can be attached to this carbon atom. Then this hydrogen atom can be attached to this carbon atom to form the CH3, CH, and this Br can be attached to this carbon atom, and hydrogen is attached here. N-propyl bromide of 1-bromopropane to form the 1-bromopropane. That is, propene can be reacted with HBr. Propane can be reacted with HBr in the presence of peroxide. In the presence of the peroxide, then to form the 1-bromopropane. Then to form the 1-bromopropane. Okay, this propane can be reacted with HBr. Propene can be reacted with HBr in presence of the peroxide. In the presence of the peroxide, then to form the 1-bromopropane. Therefore, it is called as the peroxide effect. ला काय म्हणायचं आहे, पेरॉक्साइड इफेक्ट जो आहे तो पेरॉक्साइड इफेक्ट. आलं लक्षात आहे, हा पेरॉक्साइड इफेक्ट जो आहे तो पेरॉक्साइड इफेक्ट आहे. क्लिअर झालं का बघा. परत एकदा स्टेटमेंट सांगतो याच्यामध्ये, when the unsymmetrical reagent gets attached added to the unsymmetrical alkene, the negative part of the alkene negative part of the reagent gets attached to which carbon atom that carries the more hydrogen atom. Negative part of the reagent gets attached to the which carbon atom that carries the more hydrogen atom. आलं लक्षात आहे. त्याला म्हणायचं आहे anti-Markovnikov rule. This anti-Markovnikov rule can be takes place in the presence of the peroxide. Anti-Markovnikov rule जो आहे हा anti-Markovnikov rule कसा होता याच्यामध्ये, in the presence of peroxide जो आहे तो in the presence of the peroxide. Peroxide जो आहे तो peroxideच्या presence मध्ये anti-Markovnikov rule जो आहे हा anti-Markovnikov rule. See another one more example. CH3 double bond CH2. CH3 double bond CH2. This is unsymmetrical alkene reacted with HBr in the presence of the peroxide. In the presence of the peroxide, then to form. Also, this negative part gets attached to this carbon atom. Negative part can be gets attached to this carbon atom according to the anti-Markovnikov rule, and this hydrogen atom can be attached to this carbon atom. The negative part can be attached to which carbon atom that carries the more hydrogen atom, Therefore, then to form the CH2Br. This is the isobutyl bromide. From the isobutylene. This is the isobutylene, and this is the isobutyl bromide. This is isobutylene and this is the isobutyl bromide. आलं लक्षात आहे. त्याला म्हणायचं आहे anti-Markovnikov rule. फक्त anti-Markovnikov rule मध्ये एक प्रिकॉशन्स आहे, ते प्रिकॉशन घ्यायचे आहे. What precaution? That is, anti-Markovnikov rule can be carry only for the HBr. Anti-Markovnikov rule जो आहे हा anti-Markovnikov rule फक्त HBr आणि HBr साठीच आहे. Anti-Markovnikov rule can be carry only for the HBr, not any other reagent. कुठल्याही दुसऱ्या reagent साठी हा anti-Markovnikov rule आहे तो anti-Markovnikov rule नाहीये, फक्त HBr आणि HBr साठी. That is HCl or HI or another reagent cannot be formed the anti-Markovnikov rule. Another reagent cannot be formed the anti-Markovnikov rule. लक्षात आहे का बघा. हा anti-Markovnikov rule जो आहे तो anti-Markovnikov rule फक्त HCl जो आहे तो HBr जो आहे तो HBr साठीच आहे, not for the another unsymmetric such as the HCl or HI or H2SO4 or another. We can take the H2O or also we can take the ammonia. That reagent cannot be used the anti-Markovnikov rule, because of in this anti-Markovnikov rule we can use the peroxide, and the peroxide can be formed the free radicals. Peroxide can be formed the फ्री रॅडिकल हा पेरॉक्साईड काय करतो याच्यामध्ये याचा फ्री रॅडिकल जो आहे ह्या फ्री रॅडिकलचं फॉर्मेशन जे आहे ते फॉर्मेशन करतोय पेरॉक्साईड जो आहे हा पेरॉक्साईड काय करतो याच्यामध्ये फ्री रॅडिकलचं फॉर्मेशन करतो द स्टेबल फ्री रॅडिकल peroxide ion can be formed only for the HCl, not for the HCl or not for the HI or H2SO because of the bond energy of HCl and H2SO4 is greater. Bond energy of HCl, H2SO, H2 and NH3 is greater. Therefore, peroxide cannot be break the bond. Peroxide cannot be break the bond. This HI are the weak bond. The HI bond energy of the HI is weak. Bond energy of the HI is very weak. HI जो आहे तो HI ची बॉन्ड एनर्जी जी आहे ही बॉन्ड एनर्जी काय याच्यामध्ये अगदी कमी जाते वीक आहे आणि ही बॉन्ड एनर्जी आहे ती बॉन्ड एनर्जी कमी असल्यामुळं काय HI जो आहे तो HI ची बॉन्ड एनर्जी जी आहे ते बॉन्ड एनर्जी कमी असल्यामुळं इट कॅन बी फॉर्म द फ्री रॅडिकल ऑफ आयोडीन and that iodine are the very active. It can be reacted itself and it can be converted into the iodine. लक्षात आहे हा आयोडाइड आयन जो आहे ह्या आयोडाइड आयनचं फॉर्मेशन करतो कोण हा पेरॉक्साइड इथं आपण जो वापरतो तो पेरॉक्साइड जो आहे तो पेरॉक्साइड हा HI जो आहे तो HI मधला हा आयोडीन जो आहे तो आयोडीनचा फ्री रॅडिकल फॉर्म होतो पण दिस फ्री रॅडिकल इज व्हेरी ऍक्टिव्ह it can be reacted itself and then to form the iodine molecule instead of the attack on the carbon atom म्हणजे हा HI जो आहे तो HI जरी फ्री रॅडिकल याच्यामध्ये फॉर्म होत असला तरी हा व्हेरी ऍक्टिव्ह असल्यामुळे इट कॅन बी रिएक्टेड इटसेल्फ आणि स्वतःच रिएक्ट होतो इन्स्टेड ऑफ अटॅक ऑन दिस कार्बन ऍटम ह्या कार्बन ऍटम जो आहे तो कार्बन ऍटम वर अटॅक होण्याच्या ऐवजी तो स्वतःशीच रिएक्ट जो आहे तो रिएक्ट होतो तो काय होतो स्वतःशीच रिएक्ट जो आहे तो रिएक्ट होते आलं लक्षात आहे मग हे सेल जो आहे तो एसएल असेल दुसरं मग एसएल H2SO किंवा HNO आर द बॉन्ड एनर्जी जी आहे यांची बॉन्ड एनर्जी जास्त आहे आणि ही बॉन्ड एनर्जी जास्त असल्यामुळे हा जो पेरॉक्साइड यूज करतो आपण दॅट पेरॉक्साइड कॅन नॉट बी ब्रेक द बॉन्ड इनटू द HCl or the H2SO दॅट इज टू कॅन नॉट बी फॉर्म द फ्री रॅडिकल ऑफ द HCl or the H2SO हे HCl किंवा H2SO चे हे फ्री रॅडिकल जे आहे त्या फ्री रॅडिकलचं फॉर्मेशन जाते फॉर्मेशन याच्यामध्ये होत नाहीये आलं लक्षात आहे therefore the peroxide effect or anti-Markovnikov rule can be only for the HBr anti-Markovnikov rule only for the HBr not for the another reagent कुठल्याही दुसऱ्या रिएजंट साठी हा anti-Markovnikov rule नाहीये आलं लक्षात आहे फक्त HBr आणि HBr साठीच हा anti-Markovnikov rule जो आहे हा anti-Markovnikov rule आहे फक्त HBr आणि HBr साठीच हा anti-Markovnikov rule जो आहे हा anti-Markovnikov rule दुसऱ्या कोणत्याही रिएजंट साठी हा anti-Markovnikov rule जो आहे हा anti-Markovnikov rule आपल्याला वापरता येत नाहीये anti-Markovnikov rule फक्त HBr जो आहे तो HBr साठीच याच्यामध्ये वापरता येतो दुसऱ्या कुठल्याही रिएजंटला anti-Markovnikov rule यूज केला जात नाहीये आलं लक्षात आहे हे झालं Markovnikov rule आणि anti-Markovnikov rule दोन्ही एकमेकाच्या अपोजिट आहेत फक्त लक्षात ठेवताना anti-Markovnikov rule ओनली फॉर द HBr Markovnikov rule हा प्रत्येक अनसिमेट्रिकल रिएजंट साठी वापरला जातो Markovnikov rule can be used every unsymmetrical reagent आलं लक्षात येईल this is the Markovnikov rule and the anti-Markovnikov rule this is second method for the preparation of the alkyl halide Yes.